need to get sorted. Thank you. Why do we have forks? We don't need forks. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Kass and Jez versus the world. I'm Jez, that's Kass. If you didn't work it out already, if it's your first time watching,
table wobbles.
Thank you. The table wobbles. There we go.
I just saw that GoPro wobbling, so.
While it's on stabilizers, they should be fine. Now,
Okay.
We have stopped in today. We were out in Sydney playing all day, spending money that we really don't need to. But
tax
we are
returns
here.
came in.
Got a lot of tax returns. We are here at Chicken and Sons at the Orange Grove Hotel. Because I just read it on
Impress
the
you?
wall.
I was going to say impress you remember that because I had no idea where we were.
Read it on the wall.
I knew we were at Chicken and Sons, but Lilyfield.
Yeah, this is what's up. We got massive burgers. I'm actually more jealous of Kass than what I am mine. Because yours looks so good.
I'm going to make the biggest mess. I should have brought a hair tie or something, man, I'm telling you.
We've got like 800 napkins. I'm keen. Ready to say.
Shall we walk through what we got?
Yeah, do you want to give me a walk through? I'll do it.
Yeah. You can do a little teaser into the camera.
Okay.
Okay, so,
You might have to
Jez.
grip if you want to do yours last, and then just grip it and show the camera. and then
Okay.
do it.
All right, so you ordered the When in Chrome with a K special. Oh, mac and cheese?
Cheese first? I'll
Okay.
do mac and cheese
Well, it's
first.
the truffled mac and cheese.
Yeah. I'll just have that slide around a little bit. It's coming towards you.
Put some extra parmesan on there, he said.
Yep. Oh, beautiful.
And then so your burger, When in Chrome special, double smash flash fried chicken, beef tallow onions, pickles, American cheese. Does typically come with mustard, but as we all know, Jez doesn't like mustard. You got add-ons of mac and cheese, extra cheese, maple bacon, and Mother Clucker spicy mayo.
There's also some liquid cheese in there as well.
Liquid cheese. I was going to say I can't see. Oh, that's
Yeah.
the mac and cheese, or is that the liquid cheese?
That's the
Liquid
mayo.
That's the mayo.
That's the liquid cheese right there.
Okay, it looks like there's some fries on the bottom too. I think he's got like full there's
All
like
out,
corn chips at the
all of
bottom.
it.
I think you've just got your own special burger.
I do.
I'll go through mine when I go to
Yeah, but
with that.
because
Try this.
oh,
It looks good.
Sorry, you guys didn't see that, but like I just broke into this thing, and my god, it's so creamy.
Yum.
Oh,
That's good stuff.
some quality mac right there. Okay.
All right. Do you want to show off your burger?
Yeah, I'd love to.
You also
just
got
tell them what I have
no,
on
because
my
I don't have it
fries.
written down. You've got gumbo, right, on your fries?
Yeah, it's the gumbo they're using. It's chorizo gumbo they were using for.
Previous
I
special?
don't know if it was this special or last special, but
I think it was the last
have
one.
it. Do you want to try some, Kass?
Yeah.
It's actually real nice. Just kind of get in there with a fork. Like
And liquid cheese on top of your
Mm.
gumbo as well. Yum. Man, that would have been the tits on a burger. It would have been like, no, I won't go into it until it gets too sexual.
You know what's up. Okay. As you can see, my burger is held together with one big stick and one big fingerprint mark in the top.
Sorry.
As you can see. That is what I'm playing with. So, as Kass said,
When in Chrome.
one in chrome with the Jez hack on it, basically. Chef special. Beautiful looking piece.
Pretty much Jez and the chef went a little crazy.
Yep, 100%.
Mine is the Big Bird. 2 pieces of fried chicken, double cheese, lettuce, onion, secret burger sauce. I added maple bacon and, of course, typical Kass mac and cheese. Now I'm just going to have to try and...
I just want you to go as a gumbo there too.
Oh, okay, no worries. Oh, the stick is poking me in the finger.
Just get in that camera.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Oh, okay. I thought you were
Giving a little rotate.
Oh, yeah. A little bit of a sit and spin. Okay.
Oh, this is going to be a nightmare.
Yeah. Let's go. Oh, thank you very much, guys. So apologies.
I can't even like double hand this thing because it's oh, I'm just going to have to make a mess. Gigantic
Make a
mess.
mess.
Cheers.
Oh, yeah. Wait.
Where do I even start? I'm going to have to eat this
I don't know. I'm just
this
going
way.
to like start and just work my way through.
My bun is not nearly big enough for the pieces.
There's some old blokes off the back. I was surprised that we ordered these. I think they're cheering us on.
The crunch on that chicken, holy cow. Holy chicken.
Yeah, this is. That maple bacon.
I already got poops on my shirt. Uh-oh.
I feel like I'm at a bukkake party or something. Bit of sauce all over my face, you know?
Should we not have worn makeup today?
If you don't know what a bukkake party is, ask your mum. You're doing a terrific job. Thank you, my man.
Thanks.
Enjoy your afternoon, fellas.
See ya. You have to touch me.
Yes.
I literally like right on that one. Hi.
Yeah, 100%.
Might be very impressed with how wide my mouth can go to fit this in my mouth.
100%.
You just come up and like touch me on the arm like you're doing a good job. Thanks, creepy old man.
He's surprised how much you can fit in your mouth.
I swallow too. Holy shit.
Don't give up on me now.
It's gonna hurt out faster. Sorry, we don't normally eat this messy.
It's alright. I do it when I'm like, no one can see it. Just go all out.
You gotta treat yourself.
Yeah, exactly right. You have to treat yourself. It's hard. I mean, it's hard when you go back to work.
Oh.
Yeah,
Like usually after that, you just
real hard.
got the whole kitchen playing around and all these ingredients to play around with. So you know.
Why not?
Sounds magical. I'm gonna have a stack. A little bit of water, a little bit of face cleaning.
I was gonna say, I think I'm gonna have to like break this down and cut some of this chicken up to actually be able to eat it.
Sorry, you have to what?
But break this down
Oh.
and cut some of the chicken. Like that's a big ass little bit of chicken there. We should have taken our rings off. Here we go. There we go. That is half of one of the pieces of chicken. Everybody, a whole breast.
That's half a chicken.
I didn't realize when I was ordering the burger I was going to get a whole breast.
You're getting half a church. Maybe that's why I call it chicken and sons, because you get the chicken and its son per burger. Right.
Can you please grab a plate from up there, please? I don't know what they're for.
Not for you. What do you need a plate for?
Never mind. Don't worry about it.
I'll get you one. I better go. Let's hope they have like a shower or something.
I'm going to need it.
Yeah, 100%.
I just told him to put me in his dishwasher. I just told him to put me in his dishwasher.
Yeah, okay. That's that. Oh, you're stripping. Oh, okay, you're stripping now.
I'm stripping now, yeah.
Very good. I missed my mouth. All of it went on my leg.
Good job.
Beautiful.
I'm hitting a chicken wall right now.
No. Push through.
I'm going to. Just need one of those big burps and some water.
It just reminds me of KFC.
Oh, but it's 100 times better than KFC.
Are you going to be able to finish?
Let's just say you might have to polish off that mac and cheese on your own. I should have had breakfast on the way out.
We don't want excuses, we want solutions. I might have to leave a little bit of that chicken.
What are you talking about? I got a whole nother breast to go.
I think we might have overdone it this time. Yeah, you just keep ordering more and more every time. And you're like, nothing is stopping.
To be fair, if I had known, it would have been two full breasts on one burger. Probably would have gone something smaller.
Smaller doesn't look as good. We're nothing but big ones around here.
Don't think I can fit this in my belly. I've still got so much on my plate. Who wants a burger this big anyway? Oh, holy shit.
Whose idea was this?
Yours.
I remember it was yours. I don't know what's worse, not getting through my fries or not getting through my mac and cheese. I'm only going to be able to do one. And the longer I take, the worse it gets. This gumbo is good though. You tapping out?
I'm gonna make myself throw up if I keep shoveling this in my mouth.
Mac and cheese then?
I'm gonna throw up if I keep shoveling this. I've been
That.
eating the mac and cheese.
That.
Give me a minute. I'll take this time. I won't waste it.
I get it. Alright, well if you're done, I'm not going to be able to power through the whole thing on my own, so I may as well take my L. Alright.
I've only just realised there's raw red onion on that.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Is that a problem?
Yep.
We'll see if we can get a takeaway container for the mac and cheese then.
I'll shove this in as well.
Alright, well, did you want to do the breakdown?
Okay. Venue?
It's a nice little venue in the back of a pub. Excuse me.
Yeah, it's a nice little venue in the back of a pub.
Yep, nice little venue in the back of the pub. Set up beautifully. I really have a lot to say, but unfortunately, I'm like comatose in this present form.
Nice decor.
Yeah.
Decor.
Decor. Yeah.
Music's not too loud considering we're even sitting under the speakers.
Yeah. I'm gonna regret this later.
Limited parking, I think, not from the area, so I don't know if there's like, it's in like a pub, you think they would have some sort of venue parking that we just didn't happen to find. What's your score? Limited, but it was free.
4.
Well,
Extremely limited. I think there's like 4 or 5 spots.
yeah, I'm at a 4 as well. Value? How much should it come to?
It was like $60, but we chopped it the hell up. Now,
It's not
even
bad.
for my burger, for like the special, it's $20 with like a side of fries.
It's pretty good.
That's pretty
My
good.
burger was 26 on its own. That should have been an indication of how bloody big the chicken was.
Yeah. No, I'm done. I'm tapping out.
Don't force it. No throwing up in the car on the way home.
That's what
It's
I was
only
thinking.
reserved for Cleo.
Yeah, and the dog can throw up in the back of the car. Wow, okay.
Okay, so yeah, 60 something bucks.
60 some bucks, yeah.
Yeah. Do you think that's pretty good value for what we got?
Considering we didn't finish everything, yes. Extremely.
And that's pretty, like, it's 2 o'clock. This is a late lunch for us.
100%. We had breakfast, yes.
Yes,
Would I be
however,
able to-
that was at 7:30.
I don't think I'd be able to finish this if I had breakfast.
I don't think, I think I'd have to fast for, I'd have to have a watermelon diet
2
for
days.
24 hours beforehand.
4
I'm at a
days.
5 because we never leave this much food.
No.
Never ever.
No, so amazing value for money. That's what I'm saying.
Taste.
So, look, that's
Oh, sorry.
speaks for itself. No,
Yeah.
we're done.
Taste.
Um,
I'm going to give a breakdown of yours
yeah.
while I have a nap.
Oh, man. Since we chopped it up, like it was just like the
However,
amazing man
you
in the
chopped it up.
kitchen.
I was going to say you chopped it up with the chef,
Yeah,
so
the-
it's not
the
like
chef and I chopped it up.
you basically
Like-
made your own.
Yeah, it was pretty sick. So yeah, the chicken was crunchy. Instead, it reminds me of KSC, minus the terrible burps you do that taste like armpit after you finish like a couple of nuggets. So yeah, beautiful stuff. Chicken was cooked perfectly. Super tender as well, so no complaints. It was just like the size was like, oh man, you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
You're gonna make me sick.
I'm good.
I'm blown away. I can see why these guys are one of the Burger Collective's premium venues.
So,
Do you know, I thought I would have been alright too. Because the guys who were sitting over there were like, we need to get a takeaway container. So I think these guys go through so many takeaway containers.
they're probably expected. Anyway, what's your score?
5.
5.
That was killer. And it
I
has defeated us.
Yes. I'm also at a 5 because the flavour combinations in that, and I only added bacon and mac and cheese. Now, the flavour in the mac and cheese is so good. It really helped cut through those massive pieces of chicken. Sauce on there was good. Cheese on there was good. It normally comes with a middle bun, which I think may have helped initially with the stability of the burger. Sort of like a Big Mac, but with pieces of chicken.
Yeah.
I'm glad it didn't have it in there, otherwise I would have eaten even less than what I did. But yeah, I'm really happy with that. I would, if it wasn't that big, I'd go for that all day, every day. I'm very impressed
We
with the
just eat one of
flavors.
those burgers on their own, and then like we're done.
We'll split it. Because we had a little scoop of mac and cheese. I didn't even touch my fries before I started eating that burger.
Yeah, like a few here and there.
Oh, sorry, that's a lie. I think I had two chips. So I'm very impressed. As well, that
100%.
crunch on that chicken is amazing. Like, I can't even. It gets full points just for the crunch in the chicken. Like, okay, experience.
Look straight off the bat, I think it deserves a 10. Only because like how receptive these guys were to us, like totally chopping it up and going off menu and the rest of that. So good, like it.
He was super friendly. He was chatting to us the whole time.
Yeah.
The patron, I think those old guys are regular patrons.
More than likely.
Friendly.
Yeah.
Maybe a little too friendly with me, but that's okay.
Don't look up.
Came out quick, considering how much we ordered. It's good stuff. So I'm going to give it a 10 as well.
Okay, beautiful. That's
So
2 10s in like 2 weeks. We
we're
don't
at-
know what the hell's going on around here.
We're at 48 out of 50.
48 out of 50.
The only full marks I didn't get is venue,
Yeah,
which is it's
understandable.
just the parking.
Just the way it plays out. But seriously, guys, this is
Come here.
turn up.
I think they have more locations. Because I'm positive when I had a look on the Burger Collective, this was not the only location. That's why I said
Yeah.
it's in Lilyfield, this one.
Yeah, more than
So
likely.
come to the Lilyfield one.
Yeah, amazing team.
What is it? Chicken and some?
Yeah.
Yep. So they got one in Surrey Hills as well.
There you go. Alright, go
But
for
this one has a higher score on here than Surrey Hills anyway.
I see. Okay, I can see why. Quality food, quality ads.
Because damn.
Yeah. Anyway, that's it. We're good.
Thanks for all the love. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Go out and eat your own massive burgers. Tell us how you went.
Do you know what?
What?
Second time it's done that.
That's great.
I don't know what it's doing.
Maybe the app needs an update. Maybe we might have to find a new app.
Maybe.
Anyway, we'll see how that goes because
Yeah.
we might have to use GoPro audio. It's going to be awful, but we might have to use GoPro audio. We'll see how we go.
Yeah, we'll see how we go. You'll have to do some work. 'Cause
yeah.
That's crazy.
Anyway,
That's disappointing.
thanks for the love, everybody.
Yep, thank you. Like, comment, subscribe, follow, share.
Show your nana.
You got it.
Let's become a regular on our little sign off.
God, I'm done.
I can't even think anymore. Let's just sign it off there because I can't even think of anything else to say.
100%. All right, guys.
All right, stay hungry.
Stay hungry.
Ow, that really hurt. Stay hungry. That looks aggressive. Stay hungry.